Today's video we are unboxing two parcels. Actually these both are from same person. I'm not sure why. For reducing maybe shipping cost he might have done this. So quickly let's open up. Okay, inside we have another bundle. You can clearly see. So here in this single parcel we have like 2 rupee commemorative coins of Chatrapati Shivaji. So let's quickly open that also. Okay, we have 2 coins. One is like bahadur Shastri. Let me show you one. Here you can see bahadur Shastri's coin. I think these are 50 coins what I booked. So 50 coins might be here. And this is like, as I said, the Chatrapati Shivaji's 2 rupee coin. I think we have 170 coins in here. So let it be. And let's quickly open the second one. Okay. Okay. Okay, what we have here is Saint Thiruvalluvar's 5 rupee coin. You can clearly see. So I think I have ordered this at 100 pieces. Yes, as I thought it is opened here. So let's quickly close it. So that's all guys. In here we have this 3 set of coins. 2 coins are 5 rupees and one is 2 rupees. All 3 are commemorative. Sooner this will be for sale on our website. Check and take a like.in. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button.